Times have changed, and so have ventilation systems. The new ventilation system with automatically opening hatches, incorporating a hermetically sealed design, has been installed in this modern industrial building using cutting-edge technology. The ability to automatically close the hatch when the system is not in use brings significant energy savings. Another feature is that the hatch finish can be customized to match the building design and appearance. The wall system for smoke extract can be installed to mandatory regulations, or else non-fire rated system can be used to extract stale air. The roof system is designed for ease of installation, allows stale air extract or smoke extract in the event of a fire. This equipment is thermally insulated using extremely efficient materials. It is designed to operate under heavy snow or wind conditions, even in the toughest of local climates. This solution allows the evacuation of fire-generate smoke, creating smoke-free areas for safe evacuation and easy access for firefighters. Furthermore, it reduces structural damage to the building. The equipment starts to operate as soon as it receives a smoke extract activation signal. The equipment is subject to strict testing and certification procedures to guarantee operation during a fire. This is an integrated, efficient solution that helps prevent heat loss in buildings, extracts stale air, extracts fire-generated smoke to the required regulations, complements the building's appearance by virtue of being able to customize the finish of the hatch, brings the assurance that the system has been tested and certified by accredited laboratories. We hope you enjoyed your visit.